What are you doing, Lucas?
Lucas, stand back.
What are you doing, Lucas?
Casting for you.
Are you fishing? Huh? Look at that. Hope to God you catch something. Huh? Are they biting?
Yeah, there's a bunch of small fish in there. They went nuts as soon as I threw the first
Maybe
line.
you can hook one up.
Hold on, Dave. Hold on. You want to reel it in and see if we got bait left?
Do you like fishing?
Uh-oh.
Mm-hmm.
Let me see.
Something pulling? Uh-oh. Small
Oh.
yank.
Lukey.
Looky.
Lukey, reel it in, buddy. You got one.
Looky.
I think.
Bring it in. Lucas, bring it in. Bring it in.
Look.
Faster, 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 faster.
Look what you did.
Faster. Oh my God. Look at that, Lucas. Look at that. Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up with the cane so I can take a picture.
Oh, Lukey, you want to pick it up here? Hold it.
Yeah, hold it like that. Go.